What's going on, everyone? Back with another video here. I got a 2001 Chevy Blazer. I'm going to be doing a rear pad swap on here. Alright, so pretty much all you're going to do is you're going to take this bolt off here, and then there's another bolt at the bottom here. They are both a 12 millimeter. So I'm going to get those cracked off and show you how to remove the pads on this one here. Ahead and take this bolt out. It's a really small one. It's not that big at all. Just go ahead and take the top one out, like so. And you're gonna slide the caliper off. It's just like this is similar to the video that I did on the 2002 Accord with the rotor swap. Pretty much the same concept when you're doing the brakes. You just slide the pads off like so. They come off. These are actually not that bad, but the customer wants them changed. So, alright, so that was easy. Usually you change these brackets here, but these brackets are in good shape, so I'm just gonna leave them on. Alright, so for this one, it's gonna slide into these little slots right here, just like that, and then like that, and then you push it in like so, and then the rear one does the same exact thing. Slides into the little slot, slides into the top, push the rotor in. Alright, so then we have to compress the caliper. Give me 1 second, let me get my tool to compress the caliper here. I haven't gotten my tripod thingy from the phone yet, so it's going to be another video without it, unfortunately. Hopefully I got another video for you guys coming up after this one. I'm going to be working on a Honda Civic, doing an exhaust on it. Just a muffler, not the full exhaust. But that should be a pretty fun one to do. So pretty much what I'm doing here is I'm just compressing the caliper. The piston. So what you're going to do is press this piston in, so that way it fits over the new pads. Like I said, pretty much explains the same thing in the other video, just on a different vehicle. Really not much difference besides maybe like bolt size, and that's about it. So, all right, I'm gonna get this one compressed so I can put this caliper back on, because I am against time here. I'm fighting the rain here. It's been raining for the past 2 days over here in Jersey, and it's gonna rain tomorrow and Friday and Saturday and Sunday. It's supposed to be nice and clear, so just in time for me to be able to work on that Honda and make a video for you guys. Alright, let me put this down so I can get this over and done with. So I'm just gonna press that in like so. It's gonna look like that when you're done. All nice and pressed in. I'm gonna get this back on now. Put it on like so. Go. And then you're just gonna go ahead and put the bolts back in. One back at the top. And one back at the bottom on this side here. Alright guys, so that was pretty easy. Nice simple video, nice and easy, nothing to it but to do it. Alright, so if you like this video, go ahead and like it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me in the comments below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, because I will be posting a lot more stuff as time goes on. So just bear with me guys, alright? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later.